What up? Amiga. With not your mama's resin. So, yeah, as you already know, I'm not a professional. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna do it anyhow. Today, I'm doing a dragon mold. I'm gonna dry brush it with some Let's Resin Orchid, some Let's Resin Lawn Green, and some Chameleon Powder Teal from Let's Resin. And then we're gonna cast it in some polyurethane Let's Resin because it takes 2.5 seconds, and Bill Nye the Science Guy will be so proud of me. So let's get started. If you want to get into the deep spaces, like super duper detail, like these joints right here is where it's at. You know what I mean? It's where it's at. Cause I got 2 turntables and a microphone. I'm gonna start out with the orchid. I wanna do the face in this color. Cause it's a whole bunch of detail. It's a whole bunch of detail up in there. I'm just spreading it with this thing. And you'll probably hear my cat and my dog in the background. They're both a hot mess and are needy and love attention 24/7, but I love them. So don't judge them. Don't judge me and don't judge my animals. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Trying to get all up in the holes. Yeah, I wanted the face. I want it freckled because it's gonna dry white. So I want it freckled. Alright, I'm going to do the wings. The inside of the wings are going to be this lime green. Love that color. And it's all sparkly and pretty and stuff, and my dragon's going to be all sparkly and pretty. Because dragons are sparkly and pretty too. You don't want to get up in there because it's like a claw thing up in there. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing. My bad. My bad. Get up on the sides. You gotta get all up in it, you know what I'm saying? When you dry brushing some stuff, you gotta get all up in it, or you'll have some blank spots, and we don't want blank spots, you know what I'm saying? We want our dragon to be pretty. We do. I don't know why my dog just be licking. She just be licking. Licking carpet, licking her paw. All up in it, see? All up in it. She getting all up in it. Oh. But animals are very healing, and I'm very, very, very grateful for my animals because they have excuse me, see me through some dark shit. And I am absolutely thankful for them. Blow the excess off. You know? You know. Oh, and I want to do the little pointy tail thing. I want to do that green too, because why not? Why not? Okay. Now I want to do the outside, the bony part, I guess you'd say, of the wings, this teal, chameleon teal. Intense. It's intense. And it doesn't matter if you get it like mixed or whatever, because it's whatever touches the silicone first, that's the color that's gonna come out. It's gonna show. Yeah, gotta get all up in there. Gotta get all up in it. Boom. And I kind of want this blue and this green to kind of mix a little bit. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Do little spiky things up here. Do those too. Add a little pink up in it. And you're probably gonna hear my AC coming on and off because it's hotter than Satan's ball sack down here in the south. So yeah, I'm not gonna apologize for that, because it's hot. Yay, Tennessee weather. Yay. Check it out. And it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Come on, you guys. That's pretty. It's pretty. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to mix these. I want to mix this color and the lime green together, because that's what I want to do his body in. So we're gonna put a little bit of this powder goes a long way, just FYI. Ooh. As I say that, I pour half the damn bottle in there. Oh, see? Look at there. Check it out. It's like a purpley, pinky, greeny, bluey. It gives me happy feelings. That color gives me happy feelings. Okay. Now, we're going to do the body. Ooh, I need another. Where's my other brush? I need a thicker brush. Boom. This is one of my makeup brushes. It works so good. So good. Get all up on the sides. Like that. Like that. All up in the grooves. Hair's gonna be pretty. Here's just like a little rainbow dragon. Here's the rainbow dragon. All up on the sides, all up in there, all up in the creeks and crevices. What do you think? Alright, let me put my lids back on stuff so I don't spill stuff everywhere, because yesterday I spilled 6 ounces of polyurethane resin all over my table, and as you can see, all the white. I don't know how to get it up. I've used alcohol, I've used baby wipes, what have you, so I'll just have to get a new little thing. But until then, you're just gonna be seeing some white stuff everywhere, okay? Okay. Now, put this over here. Let's mix up some polyurethane. I think I'm gonna do 6 ounces. I'm gonna try to do 6 ounces. Because like I said, measuring, I don't know her. We're just winging it. So I'm gonna do 3 of B. I'm doing the B first because the B is lighter than the A. Oh, knocking into the camera and shit. My bad, my bad. Ugh. And then 3 ounces of A. Let me tell you something. This stuff is like 45 bucks. It's expensive, but I like it a lot. I do. Let's stir until it gets hot. Or warm. I hope it turns out good. I'll put you on a fast thing. You know what I'm saying? Where it's like super duper fast whenever it's curing. So you don't have to wait 10 minutes for it to cure. And listen to me yammer. And we'll just see if everything works at the end. How about them apples? Okay. I think we're good. Alright. Let's pour. Squeeze at the top and just pour. Yeah, I think that's, can you see? That's cool. I'll pour this over here in my little mold, a little cheapy mold that I got for extra resin, because I can just like bling stuff up, you know what I mean? All right. Okay. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse so you can watch it, because it's magic. It's science. See if I can figure out how to do it. Hang on. Oh. That didn't work. Okay, so you're just gonna sit here and watch it for 10 minutes. How about that? Because I have absolutely no idea how to put you on a fast what you call. So there's that. Oh, it's turning already. We good? Sweet. See this stuff don't come up. It don't. It's like glue. Let me see. Wrong way. See? Oh, there we go. Ha. Wiki wiki. Wiki wiki. Let's go all the way. Ha. Let's go all the way. Wiki wiki. Wiki wiki. ICP. Yeah. This, yeah. No, that ain't working. That ain't working. That ain't working. Oh, yeah, I got my handy dandy lighter, so I'm gonna see if I can pop bubbles on here. If it catches on fire, I apologize. It's smoking, but it ain't popping no bubbles. it's a smoking. It's a yeah, well. Well, that's why, because it's already cured. Oh, good times. Good times, Mandy. Good times. Who else but me is going to get on the internet and make an absolute complete ass of themselves? Me? Your girl? Mandy? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. It's still squishy. It's still squishy. So just FYI, if you're trying to pop bubbles on polyurethane, make sure you do it like as soon as you like, you know, cast the resin, because if not, you're gonna do like my dumbass just did, and you know, set the resin on fire and let it start smoking. So don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Alright, don't do that. Learn from my mistakes. Don't do it. Alright, come on. Ooh, Lord have mercy, that's hot. That is hot. Hot. Look! OMG. Is she pretty? She's all pastel-y and girly, and oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My cat's looking at me like I'm a dumbass. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's tap. Oh, can't hear it on that. Okay, here. Let's tap. Cool. Alright, what y'all think? Time to unmold? Let's do it. Yeah, that's kinda... That's still kinda... So satisfying. Oh yeah. Oh. What happened? I was about to do the incense and I can't do the incense because look. One is blue. What happened to my blue over here? What happened to my blue? It totally disappeared. Look, ain't nobody got time for that. Ugh. It's a fail, but we'll put a bird on it. So, let's put a bird on it. Let's get some teal that I used, if I can find it. Ooh, here we go. And then we just gonna brush her up. You know what I'm saying? To make her into a happy dragon. A happy dragon. And since it's so dark on that side, we gotta darken her up over here too. See? We put a bird on it and we made it into a happy dragon. Oons, oons, oons. Oons, 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 oons. That's my happy dance. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Okay, sweet. And that look. Oh my goodness. It's like spray painted on the side. And up here. Oh. We got freckles. Oh, we got little freckles on the back. Got little freckles on them, and we got a shit ton of bubbles, but bubbles, we don't care. But there you go. There you go. There's my pretty dragon. Hers pretty because we put a bird on it, and we made it better. Okay, sweet. Alright, y'all. That's me for today. So, just so you know, the earth needs your light. We need you. We love you. There's hope. Every day is a new beginning. Bye, y'all.